everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, a channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today we're going to talk about screen off memo, what it is, and how to use it. So screen off memo is when your Samsung phone, the Galaxy Note series specifically, when the screen is off, maybe you just pulled it out of your pocket and then you take out the S Pen. Now, this is a way that you're able to jot something down. You're able to take your notes without having to unlock your phone and get into an application. You can just go right here and jot down all of your ideas. Now, the nice thing about it is that this is just a full blank screen. You hit that down arrow, you're able to add in just a little bit more. Maybe you're writing a story, you're writing a poem, maybe you just have to create a shopping list. This is where you're able to just go, and go. Now, how you're able to go into this just a little bit deeper is you're able to change the color. So you can go from this red color, green, blue, whitish, as well as yellow. And then let's say that we take a look at that green. I just want to see what that green looks like. And it looks really good. Now, also too, what you're able to do is you're able to change the thickness of your pen. So if you need it to be just a little bit more thin, maybe you want it to be a little bit more thick, you're able to change all of this on the top. Now, this third icon up here is going to be the eraser. When you tap on it once, you're able to erase it line by line. But let's say that you have a bunch of stuff that was written on here, but you don't want to go through and erase every single line. You're able to hit that eraser, hit it one more time, and then now you have that erase all. Now we're going to go right back over here, go to something else, and let's say that we needed to buy milk and we need some eggs. Now you have two options on the very top. You're able to pin this, so in this way it's going to be pinned on your always on display. So every time that you see the always on display, you're going to see this, and then it's going to always remind you of something that could be important. Or you can just hit on the save button, and then now it's going to save over inside of your Samsung Notes. Now, the other thing to note is, let's say that you did jot something down and you're just in a hurry. You don't want to even hit that save button. So as you jot down all of your notes, you placed your S Pen right back in the phone. As long as there was something written on the screen, it actually automatically saved inside of Samsung Notes. So in order to take a look at that, you just want to go inside of your Samsung folder or wherever your Samsung Notes is located. And you can see all of these right here are everything that we just got done saving and doing. So this one was where I hit the save button, and this is where I put the S Pen right back inside of the phone. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit on subscribe. Subscribe right over here in the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air. That's how I roll.